Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a new product from Outin, the Nano Portable Electric Espresso Machine, compatible with ground coffee and coffee capsules. Fresh brew coffee available anytime, anywhere. What makes this device so unique is that it's able to heat up 50 ml of water at room temperature to approximately 96 degrees C in just 3 minutes. Also, the Nano has 20 bars of pump pressure and comes with rechargeable powerful lithium battery. A single full charge can heat up water from room temperature to 96 degrees C for approximately 5 times. As always, a full disclosure. This unit was purchased by us and given a special sample price for our in-house evaluation, with no requirements or demands from Outin, just our honest feedback to them. Now for the unboxing. User guide. Brief intro and quick start card. Main device. Cup. Ground coffee filter basket. Ground coffee spoon. Type-C USB cable. Removable upper lid. Power switch. Indicator lights. Food grade stainless steel water tank with scale mark. Capsule adapter. Portafilter. USB charging port. Please make sure it is fully charged before use. To check the battery status, simply press the power switch once. 4 LEDs light up means 100% charge. It is recommended to use a power adapter with an output of 3 amp to charge. It is fine to use a power adapter with an output current of less than 3 amp, but charging time will take longer. Before first use, good to run the unit with water at room temperature to clean the inner part. You can do this without the capsule adapter, ground coffee filter basket, and portafilter. Simply pour water into the water tank. Double click the power button to start. If you notice that the coffee is not coming out, which might be due to coffee grounds obstructing the inner tubing, use the same method to fix the issue. If you would like to do an internal flushing before storage, use the same method. Now for the features. There are two safety features. battery overheating protection and boil dry protection. Comes in 5 colors: pearl white, space gray, Outin teal, forest green and crimson red. Weigh approximately 670 grams. When fully charged, able to brew approximately 3 to 5 times with water at room temperature and 200 plus times with hot water. The body is ABS plastic, which is leak-proof and heat insulated. Stops automatically once the extraction process is finished. In the unlikely event that it doesn't stop the extraction, press once on the power button to turn it off. The maximum water tank capacity is 80 ml and minimum is 50 ml, which we recommend for brewing. Height is about 24 cm and the width is 7.5 cm. Are you curious like us about the claimed accuracy of heating up 50 ml of water at room temperature to 80 to 96 degrees C within 3 minutes? To verify the claim, I will do a test to confirm. Now let's dive into the usage by capsule extraction. Imagine that you are at your work desk, on a plane, picnic, or wherever you are with no power supply. Do note that only original line capsules from Nespresso, Starbucks, Law, and so on are compatible. Disassemble the lower parts. Insert a capsule into the capsule adapter. Inserting the capsule wrongly is not possible at all, as only fit one way, as you can see. Press the capsule firmly into the capsule adapter and load into the portafilter. Screw the portafilter tightly onto the body. Or the extraction process will fail. Remove the upper lid and pour water into the tank till the 50 ml mark. Put the lid back on. Please do not open upper lid during water heating process, as the water is boiling and could lead to burns. Put the cup back on. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. The buzzer will beep indicating heating process starts. With 4 LEDs light up, you will hear another beep meaning heating completed. The extraction will start and ends automatically. Next, I will dive into the steps for coffee ground extraction. Disassemble the lower parts. This filter basket can contain 5 to 8 grams of coffee grounds. Scoop out about 8 grams of coffee beans, which I've already done so in advance. Set the dough setting on the hand grinder for espresso. A reminder not to grind too fine as will clog the filter basket. Just slightly coarser will do. I have made a dosing funnel out from the styrofoam cup so that the transferring of coffee grounds into the filter basket is easy. Use the provided spoon as a tamper and a light tamp will do. Load the filter basket into the portafilter. Screw the portafilter tightly onto the body, or the extraction will fail. Next, remove the upper lid and pour water into the tank till the 50 ml mark. Put the lid back on. Put the cup back. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. The buzzer will beep indicating heating process starts. With 4 LEDs light up, you will hear another beep, meaning heating completed. The extraction will start and ends automatically. If you intend to use hot water, double-click on the power button to start extraction. If you are not an espresso drinker but prefer espresso with cold foamy milk, you can use the NanoFoamer version 2 by Subminimal, which is capable of making quality microfoam milk. I have prepared a small amount of cold milk in this Carter Everywhere travel mug and intend to do a classic foamy milk for cappuccino. A brief guide on the care and maintenance. The capsule adapter, portafilter, coffee cup, filter basket are washable under running water. The main body can only be cleaned with a wet cloth if needed. Ensure that it's dry before storage. And also do ensure at least 5 minutes of rest time for the machine before your next brewing. After watching this detailed video on the Outin Nano portable espresso machine, do you have the intention of purchasing it? What's your opinion, or maybe something that which you think can be improved on? Share your comments and thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching.